23rd January, during dinner, our hosts, the sharing family, informed us that heavy snowfall was expected the following 2 days. Since they knew our original itinerary, they told us to leave for Shimla the following morning. This got us into two minds, but we thought we'll take the final decision in the morning. On 24th, the sky was overcast, but there was no snow, so we decided we'll go to Dhankar.
So we are on our way from Kaza to Dhankar and we have hit a mild snowstorm on the way. It might be around -10 or something. And probably think we should get inside the car as soon as possible.
We took the shortest route possible from Kaza to Dhankar through the Lingti Lalung road. It had started snowing, and after driving some 5 odd kilometers, we got stuck in the accumulated snow on the road. We had to turn back. Our heart was telling us to leave for Shimla immediately, or we might get stuck for another 7 to 10 days. The mind knew going to Shimla in these weather conditions was not advisable. We followed our mind. We decided we'll go to Dhankar via Shichling and leave for Shimla the following morning.
We were back in Kaza by 6 p.m. It was an eventful day, but we had achieved what we had set out to do. For me, I was like a child, out on a drive with elders, for there were others to take the decisions, and all I had to do was sit back and enjoy the ride, and experience the events of the day, without worrying about the analytics. We were relaxed, but I had already started thinking about the early start for Shimla the next morning. And I had a feeling that there was more in store for us.
And Suresh is struggling to keep his hands warm to work the camera.